Welcome to WebStarVerse. In this video, I will guide you through how to install WordPress on localhost in Windows. WordPress is a PHP-based content management system. To run it in your PC, you need a PHP development environment installed in PC, such as XAMPP or WAMP. Search XAMPP, go to its website, download and install it using default settings. XAMPP installation video link is in this video description. After you have installed XAMPP in PC, browse to XAMPP installation folder. From inside it, open htdocs folder. Here you can create folder and install WordPress in it. I have a folder named as projects. Inside it, I will create a new folder named as WSP1 and go inside it. Here I will keep my WordPress website files. Now go to wordpress.org website, wordpress.org, and click at Get WordPress button. From this page, click Download WordPress. Zip file has been downloaded. Paste it in this folder. Extract it. Remove the archive. Go inside this folder. Cut all the files. Go back. Paste files here. And remove this empty WordPress folder. Okay, so all WordPress files and folders are in folder WSP-1 folder. That is our WordPress website folder. Now we have to run it. Start XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel, start Apache, start MySQL, minimize it, open localhost. This is the localhost dashboard. Open phpMyAdmin in new tab to create a database. Now in my case, my website address will be localhost/projects/WSP-1. So just direct the address to the WordPress folder and WordPress installation page will show up. Select desired language. Continue. Let's go. Database name. It's asking database name, but we haven't created a database yet. So go to this phpMyAdmin page, click databases, type a database name, click create. Now this is our database, WSP-1. So this is database name, username. So we have installed XAMPP. For default installation of XAMPP, username will be root and password should be blank. Database host should be localhost. And this is the table prefix. We can change this if you like. It will be the table prefix for database. Click submit. Run the installation. Site title. Type username and password. This is a demo website, so admin is fine for me here. But choose username that is not admin and choose strong password. Choose email address. Click install WordPress. Success. And if you revisit phpMyAdmin and see this WSP-1 database, you will see new tables have been populated in this database. Click login. And this is the WordPress login page. Its address is localhost/projects/WSP-1-wp-login.php. You can also type it like wp-admin. Same page will appear. Provide username password, and we are in. Our WordPress has been installed on localhost in Windows. From here you can edit your WordPress website, create more pages, publish blog posts and more. To view your website, hover over website name and click visit site. And this is the website that we just installed using WordPress. And its location is localhost/projects/WSP-1. This location. And this is how you can install WordPress on localhost in Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.